got the delivery from Zubair Khan, and we got some clothes from there. I'm gonna stitch this. We're gonna stitch this for the cats, and my sisters, they're really good in stitching. So we thought we will give them the cats a surprise gift for the Christmas, and also these are for all the rescuers and those who are loving animals. So this one is actually a cotton cloth. If you can just see the right color, it's exactly red with green leaves, and it looks exactly for Christmas. It's the Christmas theme. So we're gonna make coats for cats cute as this. Cute as this, yeah. So this one is for coat, and this is a heavy cotton. It's, as you can see, it's not soft, but it's a heavy cotton. So the coat will look really nice, like a wrapper. And the other clothes which we got is a soft cotton. So this one is Looney Tunes print. As you can see, it's a baby soft, so when cats are wearing it, it makes them very comfortable and very light on their body. They don't feel that anything is hurting their skin. So this is Looney Tunes print. I also have a blue color. I also purchased blue color. Sure, you will see it further in the video. This one is pink for girls. Mostly it is for girls. If any female cat, if I get an order for female cat, which I have already got a lot. So okay, you like this, Toru? Do you like it? Oh baby. So this one is pink. I have got yellow with red stars, and I've got the blue Looney Tunes, as I told you, that is in blue color. This one is in blue color. I've got orange and blue again, and again a white. I also got made up matching piping for all of these, and basically this one has the blue piping, and this one has also a blue piping, and the white one is for the white one. I've also got a red one for the yellow. I have matched this with yellow. The red will have the yellow dress, and this one I have, I think, yeah, so this one also goes with the green. This is the green piping, and this one has got the pink one. I don't know where did it go. Over here somewhere there's a pink piping. Toru, did you just see where is the pink piping? Okay, so yeah, we've got our matching pipings. This one is pink, so I've got the pink piping for the pink dress, and this is for the pink. And the white, few I have kept, like I wanted to do the white piping, and a few white I wanted to do the blue piping. So one white has a blue piping, and the other one has a white, the matching. And this dress, this one basically, I'm not really sure whether a piping is needed or not for the petticoaty, but this one is what I have matched with it. And also have got some new threads, all matching to its respective dresses, because definitely when you're making dresses, all of these will be needed. So the red one is matching the red, then I've got pink, I've got white, I have got blue, and of course the yellow and the green. So I've got all of these from Rola. I've just done shopping yesterday. So we'll get these things stitched, and then we'll show it to you how it looks. This is how my sisters are taking care of the cutting. They're doing all the cutting and designing. And this is actually the main job, where you need to know that what to cut and what not to cut. So we hope that when we deliver this, everybody loves it. will like it. Also, when you're making a design, it's much important to just show this, like, the design is not affected, and this is what we're taking care of. Second dress, basically this is the third one. The one is blue, and this is the first one is yellow, this one is green, and then it's the other one. See, this is the inside and this is the back side. So there's the front and the back, and then there's inside and the outside. It's such a fresh color, it looks so beautiful. That was all for today. Thank you for watching the vlog. Don't forget to subscribe and share. We'll continue more about the stitching. This is not the end. Good night.